Hi, at Pascal Press, our Excel range are the pinnacle of study tools. As the HSC is the most important exam for students in New South Wales, we have responded to the demand to bring you Australia's most efficient study series, Topic by Topic. Topic by Topic maths series provides students with up to 31 years of past HSC questions. Due to the unique layout, students can use Topic by Topic from Year 11 leading into their topic tests and class assessments. Questions are arranged from the most recent questions first and are indicated as easy, medium or hard to enable a student to tailor their specific study needs. And of course, to ensure that they are on the right track and to maximise their marks, we provide fully worked solutions. Make sure you get the results you want with Excel's new Topic by Topic series.